Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the Brawl Stars maintenance break. So there's no definite fix for this because you're not a owner of the servers of Brawl Stars. So the only way to fix this issue is to just wait until the servers are up and available again. So if you just Google Brawl Stars maintenance break, for example, go to this page in Reddit. So people are asking how long is the maintenance break. No one knows, as you can see, because it's not up to us to know. And also something you want to do is you want to follow Brawl Stars on Twitter so that you know when they're having a maintenance break. Just make sure that you're logged into your Twitter account, or X commonly known as, and make sure to enable the notifications so that when they post something about maintenance break you will be the first one to know about it. And this is basically how to make sure that you're always playing the game and you always know about the maintenance and if the servers are down. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.